Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a job application email. This is a professional email you send when applying for a job, and it is very important because it creates your first impression with the employer. A well-written email can increase your chances of getting noticed and invited for an interview. Now let's break down each part of the email step by step, following the exact structure, and I'll show you what to write and why it matters. Check this out. Subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of your email. This is important because hiring managers receive many emails every day, so your subject line needs to be clear and professional. It helps them immediately understand that your email is a job application. For example, subject Application for Marketing Coordinator, Daniel Harris. Salutation. This is your formal greeting. Always address the hiring manager by their name if possible. This makes your email more professional and personalized. For example, Dear Ms. Johnson. Opening line. This is a short and polite introduction. It sets a respectful tone before you move into your application. For example, I hope you are doing well. Introduction. Paragraph. In this paragraph, you clearly state the position you are applying for and introduce yourself. This is very important because it tells the employer exactly why you are reaching out. You also briefly mention your background and confidence in your ability. For example, I am writing to express my interest in the marketing coordinator position at Brightwave Marketing, as advertised on LinkedIn. With my background in digital marketing and experience in content strategy and campaign management, I am confident that I can contribute effectively to your team. Experience and resume mention. Here, you highlight your experience and mention your attached resume. This section gives the employer a quick overview of your qualifications and encourages them to review your resume. For example, I have attached my resume for your review. In my previous role at Creative Solutions Agency, I was responsible for managing social media campaigns and increasing client engagement by 35%. This experience has helped me develop strong skills in analytics, communication, and project management, which I believe align well with the requirements of this position. Motivation paragraph. In this paragraph, you explain why you are interested in the role or company. This is important because employers want to know that you are genuinely interested, not just sending applications everywhere. It shows enthusiasm and alignment with the company. For example, I am particularly interested in this opportunity because of Brightwave Marketing's innovative approach to digital campaigns and strong industry reputation. I am eager to bring my skills and dedication to your team and contribute to your continued success. Closing paragraph. This is where you thank the employer and express your willingness to discuss further. It keeps the tone polite and professional while encouraging a response. For example, thank you for considering my application. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my qualifications match your needs. I am available at your convenience and can be reached at 312-555-8890 or daniel.harris@email.com. Final line. This is a short sentence to show anticipation. It adds a polite and confident closing before your sign-off. For example, I look forward to your response. Closure. For example, sincerely, this is your formal sign-off, signature and contact information. Finally, you include your full name, phone number, and email address. This ensures the employer knows exactly who you are and how to contact you easily. For example, Daniel Harris, 312-555-889. daniel.harris@email.com. Before we wrap up, here are some important overall tips you should always remember when writing a job application email. Always keep your email clear, concise, and professional. Avoid making it too long or too casual. Make sure to customize your application for each job, especially the company name and position. Double-check your grammar, spelling, and contact details, because small mistakes can leave a bad impression. And most importantly, highlight your most relevant skills and achievements to show why you are a strong candidate. So that's how you write a job application email step by step. As you can see, every part of this email plays an important role in presenting yourself professionally and increasing your chances of getting hired. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials. and I'll see you guys in the next video.